Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to compare the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra camera comparison. We'll test daylight video, ultra-wide video, stabilization, low-light video, and photo performance to see which smartphone delivers the better overall camera experience. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. In daylight, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers impressive detail, a wide dynamic range, and vibrant but well-balanced colors. The footage looks sharp, smooth, and highly detailed. Now let's move on to the ultra-wide video comparison. Both smartphones offer a wide field of view, but the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL delivers better overall ultra-wide video with more natural colors, consistent exposure, and sharper details across the frame. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also performs well, but the Pixel 11 Pro XL has the edge in this comparison. Next, let's move on to the stabilization test. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL comes with a powerful multi-camera setup designed to deliver excellent detail and natural-looking photos and videos. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra features a versatile multi-camera system, giving it more flexibility for different shooting situations. Both smartphones deliver smooth footage while walking and moving, but the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL does a better job of keeping the footage stable and minimizing camera shake. Now let's move on to the low-light video comparison. In challenging lighting conditions, both smartphones perform impressively. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra maintains strong detail while keeping noise under control, with bright and well-exposed footage. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL also handles low-light scenes very well, producing natural-looking colors and good exposure while preserving important details. Now let's take a look at the 5x optical zoom video on the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. At 5x optical zoom, the Pixel 11 Pro XL delivers impressive detail and clarity while keeping the footage smooth and stable. The zoomed-in video maintains natural colors and good exposure, making it a great option for capturing distant subjects without losing too much detail. Finally, let's move on to the daylight and low-light photo comparison. In daylight, both phones capture impressive detail and dynamic range. The Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers highly detailed images with punchy colors, while the Pixel 11 Pro XL produces a more natural and balanced look. In low-light photos, both smartphones do a great job of retaining detail while controlling noise. However, the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL produces brighter and more well-exposed images, while also maintaining natural colors and good detail. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also performs well, but the Pixel 11 Pro XL has the edge in low-light photography. Overall, both smartphones offer excellent camera performance, but the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL comes out ahead in most areas of this comparison. It delivers more natural colors, better stabilization, and impressive ultra-wide video performance. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra still stands out with its versatility, sharp details, and powerful zoom capabilities, but overall, the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL offers the more consistent and natural camera experience in this comparison. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.